I'm making this video in the hope that it's going to reach the right person because it's been exactly 1 year to when I had the courage finally to walk out of a very toxic narcissistic relationship. It was Diwali that day. It was the worst Diwali of my life. That was the day that we broke up. And I really wish that I had seen a video like this, that day. Because right now, as you can see, I'm in Bali right now at a beach. Beautiful sunset today. And when I saw this picture from last year, same time, I feel like this person has no soul. Like, I cannot tell you how devastating it felt for me to just look at that girl right now. Because I feel like if someone told me back then that it's not going to look like this always, because in that moment it feels like it will always be this way. Like, it feels like it's going to kill you. But I promise you that it's not. I promise you, because you know what? For someone like you who gives so much love, who has so much love to give, when someone does not have the capacity to receive it, that is not on you, that is on them. Because I just know it. For people who have a genuine heart, who love deeply, who care deeply, it is never your loss. So if someone could not see your worth, I promise you it is not your loss. So if today, on this festival of lights, if you feel like there is no light inside of you right now, take this as a sign. This is your sign, because I assure you, every single thing is coming in your life. That relationship, the abundance, that smile on your face, the strength to just get up from your bed and shower, it's all coming. It's happening for you. But I just don't want you to rush it. All I want you to do is just accept things for what they are right now. And it's going to pass sooner than you think. You are the prize. You are, like, it's an honor to be in your life. It is an absolute honor to breathe the same air, as you. That is the value that you bring into someone's life. And if someone doesn't see that, to hell with that. I want you to choose yourself every day, because you deserve someone who chooses you every single day. You deserve someone who shows you consistency, who does things without asking for it, right? And I want you to choose yourself until that happens. And I feel so relieved and I feel so happy to be choosing myself every single day, because I know when it happens, it happens. Like, when it's going to happen, it's going to happen. But until then, I want to have this love story with myself. And I feel so amazing doing it. Like, I promise it's going to pass. And I'm sending you the biggest hug. I'm sending you so much love. A lot can happen in 1 year. A lot. I feel like I'm just not even the same person anymore, Like, absolutely not. And it's going to happen for you. Sending you so much love.